Hello there, would you like to create your very own 808? Kinda, sorta, create your very own 808? Well, if you do and this is something that you might be interested in, stay tuned and do not go away. But before I continue with this video, guys, don't forget to hit that button like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to make a comment in that comment section below, because that's going to help this video get even more views, and it definitely help my channel. If you're brand new to beat making and you want to learn how to make beats, don't forget to head over to beatmakingforbeginners.com and get your free course. So without further ado, let's get started with this. Well, the first thing that you need to do is you need to go in the internet and download this VST called ERS Drums. It's an amazing VST and it has an amazing 808 that stays in tune all the time. Now, once you open this VST, the first thing you need to do is lower the volume for every single one, this extra instruments that it has in there. So the kick 808 is this one right here. So what you need to do is you need to click on this red button so that activates the 808. I take this thumb here that adds a little click at the beginning of the 808 and I'm going to bring that down. But before I continue, I'm going to click right here and I'm going to put an A note right here. Let's elongate this and hit and hold control and arrow down to bring that note down. So let's take a listen to this 808. Amazing. Groundbreaking 808. Alright, so now what we need to do to start shaping this 808 to make it sound a little bit harsher or add some more sounds to it to make it sound better, we need to go into effects and we're going to get another plugin. And this one, I think a lot of people already know which one it is. It's called Camel Crusher. So let's open it up and here's Camel Crusher right here. So now when I play this 808, let's listen to it now. There you have it. It's a different 808. More crunchy. It has more harmonics there at the bottom end of it, and the first one as well, and this one too. Alright, so that's one thing that you can do to add more harmonics and to make your 808 different and make it kind of like your very own 808. So now once we're done with adding the Camel Crush that we want, we could work even more to start shaping this 808 to the way that we want it to sound. So how do we do this? Simple. Let's add an EQ. And you go over here into effects. You put EQ. And you pick this very last one here. So you click on it and hit OK. Opens up the EQ. Now, let's take a listen again to this 808. And we could sweep this over. Take a little bit of that low end out. Now I don't like all the harmonics here. I just want a clean 808. So I go like this. You're going to get more. Sounds muffled, but that's the kind of 808 that I want. This is what I want. I mean, you could shape it any way you want with the EQ. It's your 808. Get creative. Start doing things with it. Do whatever it is that you want to do with this particular 808, okay? Now let's say I'm happy with this 808. Now I'm going to show you why this VST is so powerful. I think it's so powerful. So we click here. Let's start making a little 808 melody here. And it's always going to sound good. Like I said before, you literally can just start creating your very own 808 with this VST and just start getting creative. Start doing something different. Create your very own 808 so that way you're different than everybody else. It's sort of kind of the same, but it's not because it's yours. Okay? Alright, so this wraps up this video for today. I hope that I was helpful in some kind of way. I hope that you guys learned something new from this. And if you did, Please, again, don't forget to hit that button like. Don't forget to make a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And have a blessed, blessed day.